Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This video is in English as well as in Urdu language. Some people come for fight. They want to come and fight the person who is claiming to be Messiah Mahdi alayhi salam. Some people come for inquiry. Some people want to see the person who is claiming to be Messiah Mahdi, and that is me. So the people, why do they want to fight? Why do they want to go against the Messiah? That is my question. First question. Okay, you are welcome. You can come and find out what is the truth. But do you have the knowledge? Do you have the ability to talk to the Messiah Mahdi alayhi salam first? Do you have the perfect knowledge, or at least a good knowledge in the matter of Masih Dajjal, 666 Antichrist, and Messiah Mahdi alayhi salam, and the signs of the end days? Do you have that knowledge? First know, research and gather all the points, then in peace with knowledge come and ask. Okay, this is my first point. Second point, why do you want to come and fight or abuse or come against me, against Messiah? Why? Are you enemy of Islam? Are you enemy of yourself? Okay, if you have animism, then there is a law and order which will protect us and you to do the mischief. You are a mischief person if you want to come and fight without any reason. If you want to abuse without any reason, being ignorant, this is also very bad. So people want to fight. Why? Because they think that I am claiming to be false Messiah and creating the nuisance in Islam, and whatever I am claiming is against Islam. No, the answer is that my claim is supported with the holy proofs, and I never created any nuisance in Islam. It is the ignorant people who are trying to come against me, and I am not against Islam. I am in favor of Islam. I am in favor of all religions, because I am certifying all the prophecies of the prophets which came true. So I am telling that Islam is 100% true. And I am not the prophet of any kind. I am not the Nabi of any kind. Remember, there is a difference between the word Nabi, Rasul, and I am not Allah also. Okay. So, do you want to fight because I am claiming to be prophethood? Because I am claiming to be Allah? Because I am claiming to be some extraordinary person? Yes. I never claimed to be prophet. I never claimed to be Nabi. Last Nabi is Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Khatamun Nabiyyin. After him there is no Nabi, no kind of Nabi at all. Just by getting the visions, two visions, nobody becomes a Nabi. It is the part of the Nabuwwat, 46th and 47th, 40th part of the Nabuwwat. It is in the Hadith, which is common for every Muslim. So I am not the Nabi of any kind. So I never claim to be Nabi. So I am not a kafir. Why do you fight against me then? When I never claim to be Allah, then why do you come against me and fight? This is your wrong. Okay. You will say that we have contradictions. Okay. There is a big difference between me and you. Because I am having good knowledge and you don't have the knowledge. And there will be contradictions and there is a big gap of knowledge. So first gain the knowledge and talk. So you have no right to call me kafir, unbeliever, because I never claimed to be prophet, I never claimed to be Nabi, and I never claimed to be Allah, I never claimed that I am the angel. Okay, so I never went against Islam. I am supported with all the hadiths and Quranic proofs and all the holy books proofs. So my claim is 100% genuine and correct. It is you who don't have the knowledge, but you have the anxiety to know, anxiety to fight, anxiety to immediately take decision and abuse and do something wrong and deny me. It is your mistake, not mine. Kindly read the descriptions given below. What for the public is willing to fight against me? आप क्यों लड़ना चाहते हैं मुझसे? क्या मैंने नबूवत का दावा किया? नहीं किया. मैंने अल्लाह होने का दावा नहीं किया. मैं अल्लाह का रसूल मतलब खासिद भेजा गया हुआ, लेकिन मैं नबी नहीं किसी भी किस्म का. आखिरी नबी मोहम्मद मुस्तफ़ा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम है. याद रखिए, बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस है रसूल नबी में. एक तो हदीसें बयान करती है कि अल्लाह ताला भेजेगा ईसा मसीह महदी अलैहि सलाम को भेजेगा मतलब रसूल अल्लाह, भेजा गया को अरबी में रसूल कहते हैं. फिर एक हदीस आती है कि मोहम्मद मुस्तफ़ा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने कहा आपके बाद मोहम्मद वसल्लम के बाद ना कोई नबी ना कोई रसूल. तो फिर ये सारी हदीसें झूठ हो जाएगी ना. क्योंकि अल्लाह भेजेगा नहीं, यानी कोई रसूल नहीं होगा तो अल्लाह भेजेगा नहीं किसी को, नहीं भेजेगा तो मतलब सारी हदीसें झूठी होगी इसका मतलब। तो वो हदीस जो कुरान और हदीसों के खिलाफ आ रही हो उसके अंदर समझने में फ़र्क है। तो मोहम्मद मुस्तफ़ा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने ज़रूर ये कहा होगा कि मेरे बाद कोई रसूल नबी नहीं है, मतलब मेरे बाद जो रसूल होगा वो रसूल तो होगा मगर नबी नहीं। इसका माने ये हुए होंगे जिसको लोगों ने अपने अंदाज से बयान किया, अपने अंदाज से सुना और समझा, ये उनकी गलती है। लिहाजा मोहम्मद मुस्तफ़ा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम might have told that there is no Rasul Nabi after me, means there is no Rasul who will be Nabi. It means there will be Rasul but he will not be Nabi. It means also the same what I said. So people have misunderstood this prophecy because many prophecies are there certifying the arrival of the Messiah Mahdi alayhi salam. It means he is being sent by Allah as a unique man. So he is being sent by Allah means Rasul in Arabic language. So can you deny all this? Will you say that he is not being sent by Allah? If you want to write being sent by Allah, it means Rasulullah. So he will not be Rasulullah. You want to say that? People say, no, yeah, he will not be Rasul. This is wrong. It is against Hadith and Quran. Quran and Hadith clearly certifying the arrival of the Isa Masih Mahdi alayhi salam, who is being sent. Being sent in Arabic means Rasulullah. आप मुझसे लड़ना क्यों चाहते हैं, आप मेरे खिलाफ क्यों आना चाहते हैं, सारी लिस्ट में नीचे दिया हूँ सवालात, वो पूरे पढ़िए और उसका जवाब ज़रूर दीजिए। क्योंकि पहले आप इल्म हासिल कीजिए, क्योंकि मैं आपको 2-4 पॉइंट्स बयान किया हूँ कि मैं काफिर हो ही नहीं सकता। हाँ, आपके मेरे ख्यालात में फ़र्क हो सकता है क्योंकि मैं नबूवत मोहम्मद वसल्लम की तस्दीक कर रहा हूँ, आप लोग भी जैसे कर रहे हैं, ईमान का दावा करते हैं, लिहाजा आप लोग मुझे काफिर नहीं कह सकते क्योंकि मैंने कोई ऐसा कुफ्र नहीं किया, मैंने कोई हदीसों से कुरान की आयतों से खिलवाड़ा नहीं किया, बल्कि बड़े से बड़े आलिम को लाके चेक कर लो, सही निकलेगा। I never created any nuisance taking help of Quran and Hadith. So everything is supported with authentic proofs of Quran and Hadith. So anybody who is a good knowledgeable person in Islam can come and find out the truth. Kindly read the descriptions given below. Why the people want to come against me, even the Antichrist people want to come against me, and the Dajjals, many false Mahdi's followers want to come against me, the Shia people want to come against me because they have believe in the false Mahdi, the one false Mahdi who disappeared, they are telling. So this is all the nonsense things the people have created, and they are asking, you are not Arabic speaking person, you are not having beard, that's why we want to come and fight, you are not looking like the Prophet. So these are all the prophecies that my looks will not be like the Prophet, and it is mentioned. So whatever I have said already mentioned in the description given below with answers. Kindly read that please. आप डिस्क्रिप्शंस पढ़िए नीचे, उसके अंदर मैं सारे वजाहत लिख दिया हूँ कि लोग क्यों लड़ना चाहते हैं मुझसे, क्यों, उसका जवाब क्या है। ओके, आज 22 नवंबर 2015 है।